তুমি অনেক সুন্দর. It means you are so beautiful.
Thank you very much. You're so handsome.
Really?
Handsome.
I'm observing that you are good at English. Actually, Chinese people are not good at English as far as I know, because in Chinese they are used to speak Chinese language.
Yeah.
But how can you fluent in English? If you want to say, just tell me.
Because English is my major.
Really? Your major? Your major is English? Okay, so maybe you are good at English more than me because you are teacher.
I'm teacher?
I mean,
Why do you think that?
Maybe you will be a teacher because you are learning English.
No,
Your
no.
major is English.
No. I don't want to be an English teacher.
You don't want to be a English teacher, but your major is English. You are learning English. It's like a hanky panky thing.
No,
Wow.
I don't have patience, you know. When I stand when I in front of my students, they always they hardly listen to me.
Okay,
I will be angry.
if you don't mind, I want to know what is your destination?
I want to work in foreign trade company.
You want to work in a foreign company?
Yeah, about foreign trade.
Okay, but if you want to get job in multinational company, you have to know English very well.
Yeah, I know.
You want to be a manager or top of the company, so you have to communicate with foreign people because you have to maintain business. They are belong from several countries like America, like European, like Asian. So you have to know English because English is an international language. If you want to communicate, you have to know English properly. After that, you can able to know each other, make business properly, deal with some agreement.
Yes, you are right. Yeah. As what's more, we need to learn different countries' culture, right?
Culture. You have to go other countries. You have to travel and explore diverse culture. Suppose you are from China. You have a business agreement to Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. So you have to come Bangladesh. You have to cope up and communicate with Bangladeshi manager and people. So you have to cope up with this situation, the environment of Bangladesh, the situation of Bangladesh. That's why you need English. English is very crucial, very important.
Yes, it's an international language.
Yeah. So bye bye. We'll talk later.
Okay.
Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. Thank you.
Thank